This is our washing machine factory, and we are keeping to export these machines abroad all the time. This video is from our Morocco customers' tomato washing plant. The worker adds these tomatoes into the hoist conveyor for lifting. Then tomatoes will enter this automatic washing machine continuously. The tumbling bubbles in the washing tank will continue to wash away the tomatoes. And the upper high-pressure sprays will clean the floating tomatoes again. This commercial vegetable washing machine has a device for automatically filtering impurities, so the water can be recycled. And all parts of this machine are made of high-quality 304 stainless steel. The length and width of the washing tank can be customized based on users' requirements. After washing, tomatoes will lifted again into the next deep cleaning step. This equipment is a roller machine for further removing the impurities like sand or hair. And the inner rollers can be replaced with hard or soft brush for cleaning different vegetables. This outlet can be customized according to actual production needs of users. Then these washed tomatoes will enter this automatic air drying machine for fast drying. This drying machine has several pairs of fans that can blow off the water droplets of the tomatoes. The drying speed and the fan's position of this drying machine can be adjusted. After drying, tomatoes will enter this table for labor sorting and picking. And the workers can pick out the bad tomatoes and sort out the big tomatoes and small tomatoes. Welcome to subscribe my YouTube channel and contact me for the detailed information.